Cearcolóir. Seo an Aimsir Láithreach Jacker. Cearcolóir. So níl sé don Ardleibhéal tá sé seo don Ardleibhéal. Okay, agus táid ag fécinint na rialacha fad. Okay, san Aimsir Láithreach. So lei an bosca agus tá sé as Gaeilge agus as Béarla. Okay, so féic. So seo bríomh rialta, regular verbs. Okay, so we use an Aimsir Láithreach for actions that happen regularly, are usually or are going on now. The pronouns may and would are not commonly used in an Aimsir Láithreach. Regular may forms end in M and would end in mid, M-I-D. So Céad Réimniú, Dara Réimniú. So AIM, so mar hampla dúnam, and then quail, cuirim. Okay, so the tána rialacha an sin. And just remember, má tá sé diúltach, negative, ní plus sévu, ní plus H, okay? And if it's a ceist, an plus uru. Cearcolóir, so don't forget our rhyme. My brother got caught not doing dishes today. Nobody gets blueberry pie before he finishes. They're the urus. Okay, clock the a. So Ibrahim, so scríomh an bríthir I gceart, okay? So Ibrahim an ol shiv téno cafe. So is it Réimniú hain or Réimniú dó? Is it lan or is it quail? An olan shiv téno cafe. A-N-N, because O is lan. Okay, so lan roig in sin. Scríomh an Gaeilge agus scríomh an Béarla. Okay, do not look up whole sentences, guys. You're only cheating yourself. You're only fooling yourself. If there is a word that you don't understand, mar hampla iver dó, blush. Cad is bríle blush. Okay, féach sa folklore agus Curtisjock blush. Okay, that's how you learn, not by putting in full sentences. Okay, lan roig, clock the B. Astrig go Gaeilge. Astrig go Gaeilge. So Ibrahim, what do you think, you plural, what do you plural think, drink with your lunch, excuse me. So, what do you drink? Cod, a, olan, to, with your lunch, le, do, lone. Okay, on a what? Clock the C. Scríomh na Haberty, seo san Aimsir Láithreach. Okay, Ser Vrihir. SB is Ser Vrihir. Okay, and that's something we've seen before. Ser Vrihir is when it is done by, but it's not said who's done it. So mar hampla dún thur an inyog. The window is closed. Okay, so it's not dúnam, dún tú, dún sé, dún she. It's dúntar. Okay, so the action is done, but it is free. It is ser. It is free from a pronoun. Mar hampla may, tú, sé, she. Okay, so if you see that, that's what it means. So clock to see. Ibrahim an Aimsig tú ober geheiska. Okay, an Aimshian tú ober geheiska. Cad this bríle Aimsig? You'll have to look it up. Okay, lan roig in sin. So Lena Barney in sin. D. Astrid go Gaeilge. Do you always find a seat on the train? Cad this bríle sin. Cad this bríle to find. Well, Aimsig, as it was there in Ibrahim C. So on Aimshian tú siachan on train. Igoni, always is igoni. Okay, so níl sé éasca churbe. Okay, Jacker. Okay, couple of count Jacker and sin. Okay, now táid fécinn there na bríthir nav rialta. Okay, irregular verbs, nav rialta. So there they are again. This is a recap, so you will have all of these in your copleir. But féicear an musca glas, okay, féicear na fréimeacha, aber, bear, bí, clush, day, fi, fec, I, tuair, tar, te. Okay, agus an sin nuair tá tú ré féic cleachta í. So líon na barnaí chun scéal faoi chúl iontach a insint. Okay, so put them all together agus tá scéal an seo. Blank Davidas uosis an líróid. So what would somebody do with a líróid? What do you think? Féicear na bríre? Béran. Okay? Béran Davidas an líróid. Davidas catches the ball. Okay? Agus lean right. F. Okay, iver hain an bear Laura Tracy an sliotar. Okay, so on plus uru. M is the uru to be. So on Marin Laura Tracy an sliotar. Okay, clock the G. Leon the Barney. Agus be cuaramach. We see serve here. You know what it's looking for, and you can find serve here in your coupler where you will have this written in. Ibrahim cá fai tú na pín. Cá is ceistetá ann, so cá bhain tú na pín. Okay? An what? Agus sin an Aimsir Láithreach.